Welcome to this video on Leo Ascendant, also known as Simha Lagna in Vedic astrology. Leo Ascendants are born to rule. Ruled by the sun, the planet of authority, power, and brilliance, these individuals naturally carry a regal aura wherever they go. Leo Ascendants often have a strong foundation provided by their family, particularly their fathers. If a daughter is born with a Leo Ascendant, she is often the apple of her father's eye. Similarly, sons with this Lagna inherit strong values and support, laying the groundwork for their future success. Many times, after the birth of a Leo Ascendant child, parents experience significant growth and prosperity in their lives. In terms of career, Leo Ascendants are often seen in positions of authority and leadership. Their vibrant personalities make them well-suited for roles in management, politics, or creative industries like hospitality and entertainment. Their strong sense of self-respect and determination ensures they aim for the top and rarely settle for less. When it comes to punctuality, Leo Ascendants are exemplary. If they commit to a time, they ensure they stick to it. Whether it's arriving for a meeting or fulfilling a promise, they respect their own time and others. If they ever run late, they make it a point to inform in advance. Physically, Leo Ascendants often have an impressive and majestic appearance. Their movements are dignified and confident, much like a lion walking through its kingdom. They tend to have strong features, a magnetic presence, and a keen sense of style. Their appearance often reflects their inner pride and self-respect. In relationships, Leo Ascendants value mutual respect and admiration. Their partners often describe them as charismatic and honorable. While they can sometimes seem a bit dominant, they have a generous and protective nature that nurtures their loved ones. In summary, Leo Ascendants are punctual, self-respecting, and naturally regal individuals. Their strong leadership qualities and vibrant energy make them stand out in any crowd. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other ascendants.